Morning. We are in Zeebrugge still. We docked last night. We are on a Ghent by yourself tour today. There's not many of us, I don't think. I shall take you with me. We've just had breakfast. And yeah, going to Ghent. I have a independent canal boat tour booked. Only €9 each. It's the same one I did last month on Valiant Lady. Someone's been having more fun than us. Right, we are on a tour today. Ghent on your own from Zeebrugge. Valiant Lady's left us. How rude.
Okay, welcome for the trip to Ghent. I know you say Ghent, I guess. We say Ghent. In our language we have a lot of G. You see here the historical center. If you're on your own and you want to do a walk, I would advise you to go this way in a little while.
Oh, after being in Stavanger and the crane falling, I'm a bit nervous at cranes. We went on a tour once in Stavanger. I think we were there on Britannia actually, and a crane collapsed in the centre and like smashed through market stores. Luckily no one was injured. But then I see that crane there and I'm like, ooh. Just an FYI, toilets in Ghent are free because it's a university town and they were peeing everywhere. And it's down these steps here. They're not particularly the nicest, but they're free. So we are going on a boat trip. I booked it online with the same company I went on a boat trip with Valiant Lady. So I will put some details up or do a voiceover when I'm editing. But it's basically €9 each, which is really good because the woman on the bus was just telling us it cost about €12 each before COVID and she thinks it's more expensive now, but it's not. Anyway, we're gonna go. We're booked for 12, it's 11 o'clock now, so we're gonna go see if we can get an early one, if that helps them. We'll see. Yeah, there we are. €9 per person, €6 for little people.
Stroomt die over in de Schelde. Dat is waar de stad Gent ontstaan is, de samenvloeiing van twee rivieren. Er zijn een Kelten 1400 jaar geleden aangekomen en die noemen dat Ganda. Ganda betekent zoveel als de plaats waar twee rivieren samenkomen. En dat is vandaar de naam Gent. Nu, we kregen al heel snel een haven, dat was tussen de twee voorbeelden. Also the English-speaking people, welcome for a sunny boat ride. We chose one of the 4 sunny days we have in Belgium. Schippers na het steegje. En tot slot een 20e eeuws postkantoor om allemaal af te komen. Golden ship standing on top of the yellow house. And that ship actually turns along with the wind. So it's kind of indicative of the direction of the wind. So it showed the shippermen how they could enter the harbor when they were just on sail. The tradition of beer drinking in Belgium originated actually in the Middle Ages because the water in this region was so dirty and polluted that it was actually healthier and cheaper to drink beer than to drink water. So the poor Ghentians, they had no other choice. We had to drink beer all day, every day. And that's why in Dutch and German we say you can be so rich, steinreich. But in English the expression is stinking rich, which also in German and Dutch is stinkreich. I always found that fascinating. Where does it come from, stinking rich? So I looked it up. And basically in the Middle Ages you could give money to the church to forgive your sins. So you give a lot of money, all your sins get forgiven, you're free. Ons Gravensteen, de trots van de stad. 842 jaar oud dit jaar.
Ghent's beautiful medieval castle is right in the centre of Ghent. You can visit it. It's called the Castle of Counts. Adults prices are €12, I think, and children are anything from €3 to €2, so really reasonable. And there's a Belgian comedian that does an audio tour, which sounds really fun. We didn't get time to do it, but I think if I went to Ghent again, I would definitely go and do that. Looks fun.
Graaf Philippe van El was teruggekomen, die was verliefd geworden op een kasteel dat ze hadden overgenomen, het Graaf de Chevalier. Gingen ze nabouwen, maar Gent was te klein. On a fait une hommage à Charles Quint, le pont en face de nous, c'est appelé le pont de plaisir impériaux, made the international news that day, because in America, in the New York Times, the headline was, the Ghantian students are...
When in Belgium, we are having beer, though I'm not, I'm having a Diet Coke, but Dave's having beer. And we've got frites cooking. Well, we couldn't come to Belgium and not have some frites with some béarnaise and ketchup. Yum. Lovely place to sit in the sun with some coffee. Such a nice day. Everywhere's always so much more beautiful when it's sunny. Although it's beautiful already here. Age-old eyes bigger than our stomachs with that food. It was too much. If you go to that restaurant, and I've got the name of it, I'll pop it up. Frites alone are enough. Yeah. We had some chicken bites too, and like, no. Luckily we're not eating for another 8 hours or so, so that should be alright. But yeah, we don't usually eat off the ship, to be fair. But we thought, you know, we should. It's cultural, isn't it? Belgian frites. Not really chips, but and not cultural, but they're delicacy, and it was delicious. But now we're listening to this lovely music, and we had this on the playlist of the harp of our wedding nearly 10 years ago. Nearly 9.5 years ago. Looking forward to our 10th wedding anniversary cruise on Seabourn Ovation. 2 weeks in the Caribbean, cannot wait. Definitely be vlogging my time on there. We stop at a new port every day. Anyway, we can listen to the beautiful music. I'll show you where we're sat. By the cathedral. Pretty music.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. It's been quite, I think it was about the third time we've been approached by a beggar/seller or something. But they're very polite. You just say no thank you and off they go. I feel very safe here. But I mean, obviously, as all European cities go, make sure you're safe and don't flash your valuables and keep everything close by. I'm holding it, Dave. No one's coming near me. But yeah. Oh, we're just so blessed with the weather. Look at it, the sunshine up there. We just spotted those people up on the top of the tower. You see them? Oh, they're not there now. Oh yeah, they are. Look, there's that man just stuck his head out. So if you're not scared of heights or anything, I bet there's a good view up there. I'm not sure I'm okay to go up there after having had lunch. Is there a lot of steps? Maybe next time. Before lunch. It's the Belfry Tower, and you'll notice it in central Ghent. It's, I think it costs, well, I've seen €3 and I've seen €10. So I put €10 on here. Because then if it's not, you've got €7 to treat yourself to something, some chocolates or something. I've also seen reports that there's a lift. But I think you should do the stairs for the excitement of going up the tower. Tag me in any photos you take at the top, because I bet the view is spectacular. Well, this is cool. On the street here, they have a QR code, and it will take you to a website about Ghent. It is in Dutch, but if you go to the bottom of the website and change the language to English, you can see it in English. Or if you speak Dutch, you can see it in Dutch. That's a beautiful building. This is the Belfry. And this is St. Bavil Cathedral. Hey, last month there was a Ukrainian flag up there, there's a different one now. The back of the Belfry, nice with the flowers. There's loads of places to sit and relax in the sun if you so desire. There's lots of QR codes around that give you information about places, so use them when you're here. Not forgetting the final third medieval tower in Ghent, St. Nicholas's Church. You can visit this church for free. On one of my tours of Virgin Voyages, it was the place where we met the guide, but with P&O we met the guide outside the cathedral, but they're so close to each other, each tower and each building, so you can't miss them. So we've been joined by Viking Jupiter, which we followed outside of Southampton when we left. Wow, a lot of people in that queue. I'm going to go to this one. And there's Britannia.
Number 14, name of the artist.
It's a music quiz. It's busy.
Dua Lipa. The name of the song?
The Valiant Lady left by the time we got up this morning, which wasn't late. It was early. We were off the ship at about 9:30. In its place, Viking Jupiter has arrived. Now we followed Viking Jupiter out to Southampton. It's beautiful. Can't wait for our small ship cruises this year. We've got Azamara, Silver Dawn and Seabourn Ovation. Beautiful. And no queues to get on. It's a bit of a queue to get on today, but it's fine because it's sunny and beautiful weather. But yeah, we really need to go on a Viking cruise. I don't really know why we haven't yet. It's beautiful. Oh wowzers, that's quite the queue. People will complain. But it's beautiful sunshine, at least it's not raining. Everyone's coming home on the last few shuttles, coming back to the ship on the last few shuttles. So there's a tip for you. Like P&O say, don't use the last shuttle because it will be busy. We went up to the Sunset Bar and had a nice, refreshing chilled drink overlooking Viking Jupiter. Just leaving the harbour wall in Zeebrugge. Back to Southampton. Oh, I'm looking a little bit red. I put some cream on. Oh dear. Yeah, back to Southampton. We are going to the beach house tonight for dinner. I shall take you with us. Yeah, the last night aboard. This short break. It's been lovely and relaxing. Really nice. Yeah. Time to go back to work for a what's the word? Concentrated period of time, and then time to go on Celebrity Beyond. I'm so excited. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get ready for dinner. So we're in the beach house, which is just a section of the horizon. I say just, it is a section of the horizon. It's not just, it's lovely food. So it's kind of casual, barbecue-y, American-y food. It's nice to see the original beach house menu because Iona's are slightly different. And then you can have drinks as well on the other side. Which again, slightly different to Iona's. But delicious, nevertheless. And the gentleman kindly gave us a seat by the sea. The sea view. Oh, can see me. You don't want to see me. Chicken nachos. We absolutely love nachos anywhere, anytime. Biggie's our favourite, the sizzling steak. This is the 8 ounce, I think. Beach house. There's my steak cooking away. This looks yummy. Fruit, pineapple, banana, and Eton mess ice cream, is it?
Don't know.
You do need to book the beach house. You can book on your My Holiday web-based app, or you can go in person to the beach house and book. I think on a rare occasion they can set you up with just turn-ups, but do book. It makes it easier, I think, for planning. And yeah, you will have a delicious, informal, relaxed meal there. Service is brilliant. Food is fantastic. As you could see from the menus earlier, there are slight little charges to... There's a cover charge of, I think it's £7.50. And then there are other charges on some of the meals, but some of them are included in that initial cover charge. I hope you have a wonderful time in the beach house when you visit. Thanks for watching.